Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon how to apply. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So now the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in hiring.amazon.com or simply search for Amazon jobs, and once you hit on go you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Now once you're in this page, all you gotta do is just scroll down and then select the job or the position that you want. Here as you can see, there are fulfillment center associate, sortation center associate, delivery station associate, Excel warehouse associate, and so on, right? All you gotta do is just simply scroll down and then select the job that you want, and once you tap on it you'll be sent to that specific page. Now scroll down, and here some of the duties and responsibilities are included. Simply scroll and then check to see if you can do it or not, and then once you have done with that, tap on fulfillment center jobs for near you, and then scroll down, and here you can see 70 jobs have been found. All you gotta do is just simply select one of the options. Let me just select this one, and now once you have selected, here you can see the work shift option. Tap on the text box, and here you can see the shifts provided right here. Select one of the shifts and then simply tap on apply, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.